also a Times Network investigation, viewers. From Mumbai to the metropolitan region, Mumbai metropolitan region to Delhi, we're getting you investigation reports on just how the COVID situation is being handled. Now, as you know, in the national capital, the government has decided to set up plasma banks. This is a place where people can go and donate their plasma that can then be used for treatment of other COVID patients. Now, plasma can be used in specific cases for treatment of COVID patients, and this donation can only be made by those who've actually recovered from COVID themselves. Now, as this process takes place, obviously there is a lot of demand. Almost everybody wants to use this option and see if they can save their loved ones. And unfortunately, there isn't enough donation yet. People are still recovering and still thinking and contemplating with the idea of donating plasma. But unfortunately, there are these vultures of COVID who think they can make profit even in such times by scamming people. And so here is a story where we expose to you how these agents are running a racket in the national capital, and they are charging from 70 to 80,000 rupees. And that's the minimum. Their ask runs into lakhs depending on how desperate you are and how much of this plasma you really need. Not just this, the mafia nexus actually seems to have no fear of law. They're actually functioning like a regular business. They're saying, we will provide you door-to-door delivery of the plasma. I will play out two specific conversations that we've had, that our reporter has had with these agents who are trying to, rip people off right now. The first one, Kangana Sachdeva pretends to be relative of a patient who has and the patient is in one of the Delhi's top hospitals, and she is speaking to this person to see how she can go about getting some plasma. Listen it.
तो आप बताइए, 1 घंटा हो गया अभी तो।
मैम, मैंने ए पॉजिटिव के लिए 3-4 अपने ग्रुप जो हमारे बने हुए हैं, मैंने सब में रिक्वायरमेंट डाल दी है। अभी तक कोई भी रिस्पांस नहीं आया है। अगर बी पॉजिटिव चलता है तो मुझे बताइए। आप में है ना?
हाँ जी,
हॉस्पिटल में आपका
हॉस्पिटल
कितना है?
हाँ जी।
आप डॉक्टर से ये पता कर लीजिए, अगर हम आपको बी पॉजिटिव दे दे रहे तो एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे या नहीं करेंगे वो।
मतलब मैं उनको बोल देती हूँ कि डॉक्टर से पूछ लूँ एक बारी कि डोनर में पॉजिटिव का ले आऊंगी।
हाँ,
और मुझे ए पॉजिटिव का प्लाज्मा मिल जाएगा।
हाँ, आप ना ब्लड बैंक में जाकर सिर्फ और सिर्फ बात कर लेना, उनसे ये बोलना कि हमारे पास जो डोनर मिल रहे हैं वो बी पॉजिटिव के मिल रहे हैं। तो अगर आप एक्सचेंज कर सकते तो आप उनसे बात कर लीजिए।
आपको लगता है वो एक्सचेंज करेंगे?
करते हैं हॉस्पिटल वाले।
तो मतलब आपको प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना? अगर जैसे कि कोई पेशेंट गुड़गांव का भी है तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी ना? एनसीआर या
हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम
नहीं। और अगर दिल्ली के बाहर किसी को डोनर चाहिए होता है वो भी मिल जाएगा?
दिल्ली के बाहर कहाँ?
नहीं, मतलब मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि अगर दिल्ली के बाहर किसी को डोनर चाहिए होता है तो वो मिल सकता है?
डिपेंड होता है। अब जैसे अभी हम 3 तारीख को अभी हम मोहाली गए थे।
हाँ जी।
मोहाली में ये हुआ था कि अमाउंट भी था और दूसरा जो आने जाने का फेयर था वो भी, मतलब गाड़ी का खर्चा वो सब उन्होंने पेशेंट के अटेंडेंट ने खर्च किया था सारा वो।
ओके। और कितना, मतलब मुझे कितना देना होगा?
ये सब बाद में होगा जब देखेंगे पहले कि क्या रिक्वायरमेंट आती है।
फिर भी सर थोड़ा एस्टिमेट, बिकॉज अगर मुझे रेडी भी करना है तो मुझे बात करनी पड़ेगी हस्बैंड से।
70-80 के करेंगे।
70-80,000 सर, उससे थोड़ा कम नहीं हो सकता?
मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा, देखता हूँ कहाँ तक पता है, मेरे डोनर तो मिल जाए कोई।
Here's the second conversation, and this is equally shocking, viewers. Another conversation that Kangana actually had with one of these agents. She pretended to be relative of a patient seeking the plasma, and this one is more brazen. Here the person is easily saying, oh, we will come and deliver it to your doorstep. Just ensure you give us cash.
आप मेरे को बताओ, फिर मैं आपको कहाँ मिलूँ कल?
कल मुझे मॉर्निंग में एक बार 9 बजे कॉल कर लेना मैम।
फिर भी थोड़ा आइडिया दे दो।
के बाहर ही मिलना।
किसके?
के बाहर।
हॉस्पिटल के बाहर।
हाँ, आपको वहीं भी चाहिए ना?
हॉस्पिटल साकेत में चाहिए।
हाँ, बाहर मिल लेना आप।
और एक बात बताओ, पेमेंट का मुझे थोड़ा आइडिया दो। मेरे को कल सुबह कैसे अरेंज करूँगी मैं?
हम 70 लगेंगे आपको।
70 लगेंगे? सर आपने बोला था आप थोड़ा बात करोगे।
मैम मैंने बात करी है, जिस बंदे से करी है उसके बाद ऑलरेडी कोई और आया हुआ, तो मैंने बोल दिया होल्ड कर ले, अगर वहाँ पे नहीं होता तो जहाँ तुम्हें जाना है वहाँ चले जाना।
हाँ जी, ये कैश पेमेंट लेते हैं कि चेक पे देना पड़ेगा?
नहीं कैश लेंगे और साइड में लेंगे, सबके सामने देना ही, मतलब आप ही फंस जाओगे।
अच्छा नहीं, सबके सामने तो नहीं।
So if you don't have this kind of a money and if you want to go through the proper route, you have to go to the bank. But unfortunately, some of the patients who visited a plasma bank are saying that they are being told that the rule is, that the strategy is that you have to find a plasma donor who donates her, and then you will be given some plasma. Now, of course, that becomes an extremely tricky situation right now. If somebody needs plasma, they first have to search for a donor themselves, which is why perhaps this kind of a market is mushrooming over there. Now, one of the parents' relative narrated his ordeal. He questioned the entire process, obviously asking why do such rules exist. Listen it.
फादर कई दिन से हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती है, उनके लिए प्लाज्मा की रिक्वायरमेंट थी, इसलिए हम गए थे 3 दिन पहले। वहाँ उन्होंने मना कर दिया क्योंकि रिप्लेसमेंट डोनर नहीं था। तो उसके बाद अगले दिन फिर हम डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ गए थे, तो भी उन्होंने मना कर दिया। हम जैसे लोग मुश्किल में हैं, रिकवर्ड पेशेंट के लिए भटकना पड़ रहा है। अगर हमें डोनर लेके ही जाना है तो फिर प्लाज्मा बैंक क्यों है?
In fact, we also spoke to one of the doctors at the plasma bank to get an insight into why this rule has been created, why this process has been put in place, if it's going to make it so problematic for the patients and their relatives. Here's the explanation.
A lot of people are criticizing this move, asking because if the one person has to eventually arrange the plasma themselves only, then what is the point of having a blood bank?
No, because some people feel it inconvenient, so I cannot generate a process that manufactures plasma, unfortunately.
Okay. On an average, how many people donate?
Abhi tak to it's like 15 to 20.
15 to 20.
Yeah.
These are the donors per day, right?
Donors are around 10. That's
Okay.
all. Voluntary donors.
Voluntary donors are around 10 per day. So then how is the number 15 to 20?
These are the replacement donors.
Okay, the replacement donors.
Yeah.
And sir, what about the fact of how many people are able to get the plasma per day?
15 to 20. The people who are replacement donors.
Okay. So per
One
day,
person.
15 to 20 plasmas you can give to patients if they get a replacement donor.
This is what the number is being given right now, not our capacity.
Okay.
This is how many are coming right now.
Okay. Sir, also one more thing, there is we got to know that the plasma bank is only for people who are in NCT, not for NCR. For example, if someone is in Gurgaon, Medanta or Faridabad,
Right.
so they will not be able to get the plasma from the bank?
No. So because this is a Delhi government enterprise,
Okay.
if patients from outside are admitted in Delhi government hospitals, of course they are getting.
Mm-hmm. But not any hospital in Gurgaon or Faridabad, the patient won't be able to get the plasma, even if the pet patient brings a
So
replacement.
this is Delhi Plasma Bank, no ma'am, not a national plasma bank.
We also spoke with Dr. Zareen Barucha, an eminent hematologist, on our explosive investigation to really find out what can be the solution. Of course, one part is that the authorities need to crack down on these agents who are roaming around running this kind of a racket, ripping people off. But the other aspect is, how do we make it, a simpler process so that it has no space for this kind of a dirty game? Listen into what the doctor had to tell us.
Our system should be robust to prevent the touts cashing in on the opportunity. Therefore, there is a great need for developing a registry of plasma donors. When the onus is passed on to the patient's relatives to arrange for plasma donors, the relatives may go to any length to get the plasma from a donor to save their loved ones. If the registry can provide information on plasma donors and direct them to the blood center for preparing convalescent plasma. The treating doctors can obtain it directly from the blood center.